We haven't talked about the Osmo Pocket 4P in a few days, and during that time, a couple of interesting details surfaced. So let's go through them and see what they could tell us about DJI's upcoming camera. One of the first things that stood out in the leaked interface is the presence of two separate photo modes, standard and ultra clear. In standard mode, the camera appears to output 8 megapixel images, while switching to ultra clear increases the resolution to 33 megapixels in a 16:9 aspect ratio and 37 megapixels in a 1:1 aspect ratio. This suggests that the 33 megapixels and 37 megapixels figures are tied to DJI's high-resolution shooting mode rather than necessarily revealing the sensor's native resolution. The 8 megapixel standard mode is likely designed to prioritize image quality, dynamic range, and processing efficiency, potentially using pixel binning technology, while ultra clear mode takes advantage of the sensor's full resolving power to produce much higher resolution images. What's still unclear is whether the telephoto camera uses a 37 megapixel sensor, a larger 48 megapixel sensor, or even a 50 megapixel sensor as suggested by earlier rumors. For now, all we can say with confidence is that the telephoto camera appears capable of producing 33 megapixel and 37 megapixel photos depending on the selected aspect ratio when ultra clear mode is enabled. Now let's talk about the leaked 3K 60 frames per second vertical recording mode. For years, one of the biggest requests from Pocket users has been true native 4K vertical video. Previous models offered vertical shooting options, but many creators hoped the next generation would finally eliminate the need for cropping or workarounds and deliver full resolution 4K vertical footage straight out of the camera. Seeing 3K 60 in the latest leak suggests DJI may not have fully delivered on that request, at least not in the way some users were expecting. That said, this doesn't automatically make it a deal breaker. A 3K vertical video is still more than enough for platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. Most viewers watching on their phones probably wouldn't notice much of a difference. The bigger concern is flexibility. Recording in 4K gives creators extra room to crop, reframe, stabilize, and repurpose footage during editing without sacrificing image quality. That's where some users may feel a little disappointed if 3K ends up being the maximum vertical resolution. Another interesting detail from the leak is the rumored support for D-Log 210-bit recording. That's excellent news for creators who like to color grade their footage, since it offers greater flexibility in post-production while preserving more highlight and shadow detail. However, the leaked interface also appears to suggest that the 3x telephoto camera may not support D-Log 2. If that's true, it could indicate that the telephoto camera doesn't deliver the same dynamic range or image processing capabilities as the main camera. The zoom lens would still offer the obvious advantage of true optical zoom, but for creators chasing the best possible image quality and maximum grading flexibility, the main camera would likely remain the preferred option. With that said, we'd really appreciate it if you subscribed for more updates like this. Thanks for watching. Peace.